Good morning. You guys are gonna think I'm a nut. I am at Antique Marketplace of Lemoyne. Yes, I know I'm supposed to be on my road trip, but I'm not leaving until the weekend, and today is Thursday. I got all my listings done day in advance, thank you very much, and I ended up going out to lunch with my friend Jocelyn. So it is beautiful out here, and I've got a day of freedom, which feels so good. So I decided, why not make the most of this beautiful weather and go shopping, which is what I like to do on my day off too, ironically. Now, I do want to say a really big thank you for all the support and messages I've gotten. I feel so loved and feel so good. I cannot wait to share this road trip with you guys. I will say I started packing the car yesterday, and it looks like I've really overfilled my whatnot sales that are happening on the road. All those items are preloaded, so I think what I'm gonna do today, I debated filming or not because, you know, I like to show you guys what is going into the sales and so on and so forth. But I said, you know what, why not make a video of it, especially because my next whatnot sale is full. So today I'm going shopping, and all this stuff will probably end up going in my last whatnot sale before I leave, which is happening tomorrow. So I'm sorry if the items are not available, but there's no more room in my car. But don't worry, driving across country for 6 weeks, I'm sure we're gonna find plenty more. So let's go in and see what we can find. Now, I'm not supposed to be shopping for myself. I'm also hoping not to find too much stuff, as I've completely overwhelmed myself. Although I will say, I've spotted a bracelet. Now, when I first saw it, I was like, wow, it's really pretty, but it's probably coated in nickel. I see it says sterling. I really like the look of that. I might look at that for myself because it's only $49. And if it is sterling, I think that's really, really pretty. It says pink sapphire, but a question mark next to it. I'm not so sure about that. But, oh my gosh, wait, is that? Oh, that's sterling too. Man, this is awesome. I've actually never noticed this booth. Or if I have, I've just kind of assumed that the prices were going to be higher than they are. Well, I've moved over to the costume stuff because I'm really trying to tell myself I don't need a $49 bracelet today. It's just so pretty. I get so distracted by pink shiny things. This vendor always has such fun stuff. They have a few booths in here. I will say I'm going to try and have some self-control today and only pick up super unique, quick selling items, as like I've said, my shows are kind of over full with stuff. You guys saw the videos in the past couple days. I bought way too much stuff, which is better than not enough, I will say that. I got some really great deals while I was out. These are kind of neat, these wood bangles. So I'm gonna talk you through my process here. At first I picked up this one, and I was like, oh, that's kind of neat. $15, seems reasonable, but I don't know about for resale. And then I saw this one, and I'm like, this is kind of neat. $6. Oh, and then here is one of the Russian lacquered ones. This one's $12. These usually sell really well for me. That's a really pretty one, super shiny. I kind of want to pick it up. It's a couple dollars more than I normally spend on them. I usually don't go above 10, even though they've sold for more than that. Like I said, since I've had, look at this pencil thing. That's really cool. I like that too. But I'm trying to be super choosy today because of my situation. So I'm gonna let it go and keep walking. I'm only like 2 booths deep. So who knows what's waiting for me around the corner. Oh my gosh, like this. Look at this music box. $18, no discount. That's totally fair. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love the graphic on that. This just has a little too much damage for me to feel comfortable picking it up at that price. Oh, that's so kitschy though. I promise we're gonna look at more than jewelry today, you guys. But in the meantime, love the cherries. Bakelite cherry set. It's the pin that really gets my attention. Oh, I'm trying to read what the price says. The earrings are $58, and I think the pin might be sold with. What about that bracelet with the? That thing's cool. Yeah, that one's $150. So it's definitely not cheap. Oh my gosh, there's so much fun though. I'm so obsessed with Bakelite right now. And look at those earrings. And the dog, of course, the mahjong. Oh my gosh, that's so neat. I am just like straight up sitting on the ground. Here you can see me in the reflection. I need to move on. I don't need this today. I'm sure there'll be more. Oh, I can't get up though. Day off shopping is fun shopping because I am in no rush to get anywhere. This one's really cool. Look at that. Kind of inside out. But at 15, yeah, 15, that is probably about what I'd sell that for. Yeah, that one's neat. Here's another kind of interesting one. It's got like a ribbon insert in this really unique shape to it, and it's pink. This one's only $5. It's kind of neat. It wouldn't be for me though. It would be for resale, and I'm not sure if that would be a hit or not. I kind of feel like for $5, who cares? People were asking for bracelets, and I just have such a hard time picking them up for resale because I'm sure you guys see I end up keeping almost all of them. I'm not sure about the ribbon on the inside. If it was something maybe a little bit different, I would do it. What's this one? Huh. Okay, move on. More pins. You guys are like, what? I thought you said there was more than jewelry. Rose pin. $3. That's so cheap. It looks like it might be, is that a little bit newer than I like them though? Can't really tell. The micro mosaics are gorgeous. These are usually pretty close in price though. Well, red polka dots had my attention. This cute little cardigan. That I would not feel guilty buying for myself at the right price. $8, that would be the right price. That is so cute. Let me see if that fits me. And of course, it has my favorite feature, which is bracelet sleeves. Oh, I love it. But I will tell you, hold on, let me not make you dizzy. What I was gonna say is, when I took it off the rack, I looked down to find this. Oh my gosh. And it's $15. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bag. The sweater's for me, but I will be selling this probably tomorrow, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume this is gonna sell before it posts. But for $15, look at this fantastic purse. Well, here's a bunch of unique bags. Look at this one with the silverware. That's kind of crazy, isn't it? $45. And I like the wood beaded one. That one's neat too. This is kind of neat. It's definitely new. Although the way that string is attached makes me a little nervous, even though it's only $9. I know this is new, but it's so good. Great owl purse. It is a great owl purse, isn't it? What? I love that. Unfortunately, at $12, that's around what I'd sell that for. Wait, does this say 50% off? Well, we have to get this weird enamel fish pin for, let me just make sure, $546, 50% off. Everything. Okay. Sold for $6. I love this thing. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I thought it said bread. I was like, I'm definitely buying that. But alas, it just says read, which on second thought is ironic because I didn't read it. What is this thing? It's like a copper angel cat pin. Huh. $10 and 25%. There's a lot of signage happening here. on going. Oh, okay. Oh, that's kind of cute. I know I've been picking up some random stuff, but for $7.50, I kind of love it. Well, I've picked up 3 things for resale. One's vintage, the other 2 are new. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. It's different. And it's my day off, so I can pick out whatever I want. Not that I don't pick out whatever I want anyway. I'm just feeling very, very relaxed today. Maybe too relaxed. I'm probably gonna get some weird things in this basket. What's this pin? Ooh. It's priceless. This is a really fun one though. That really, let's see, yeah. That's gotta have nickel in it. And then there's this weird cat thing, but unfortunately it's broken. I think it's supposed to have another eye there. What's happening with this? It's just like a giant seashell necklace. That's ridiculous in the best way. That is unusual. I really like this one, but it looks very, very uncomfortable to actually wear. It is neat though. You know what? The more I look at this cat, the more that spot bothers me. It's very cute, but, and it's different. It's just making me nervous with that. It looks like its nose is missing. I'm gonna put him back. This booth wasn't like this before. What's this owl? Oh, it's a planter. $12, Japan, 20% off. This is quite fantastic. I wonder, let's see, so that's like $9.60. I really like the eyes in that. And it's supposed to be like that probably. Or if it's not, they did a really good job at making it look like it was. Owls usually sell pretty well. I feel like this is a safe bet. I won't make that much on it. But a unique owl, I kind of can't say no to. Oh my gosh, the hippo bank. Oh, I love these. This one's 14 holiday fair. So much fun. Unfortunately, with that line. Oh, I want to say I don't care, but I do. Have to let it go. It's got a little too much paint loss. What is this? Monkey with a peanut? That's fantastic. Of course, I'm just now realizing that this is the same booth I usually go crazy in. It's just expanded. This is very cool. I like the daisy on it. It's got some chips though, even though the price is right. How much are these cats? These are really fun. 26. This giraffe is fabulous. The dream pet. It's got a little bit of discoloration. This is hilarious. And I just picked up one of my favorites. That's the salt and pepper shakers. I'm moving away from those people. Yeah, so these would be $8. Just making sure the condition's good. I always think these are so fun, and I love the colors on them. They come in different materials. They have ones that are metal and glass. These ones are all plastic, which are honestly my favorite, mostly because they're easy to ship, but also because they come in kind of fun colors. Not that the other ones don't, but yeah, I like the plastics. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is fantastic. I really like that. That would be really fun. Like a giant bush coming out of its head. This is one of my favorites. It's missing its top. It's supposed to have a top with like a little spoon, if I'm not mistaken. Although this might just be the planter version. No, it's the same because the top has the cutout. 14 and 20% off. That's not bad. Love the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, wait, is this one of the 2-in-1s? Oh, that's great. These are really interesting to me. These have a really rare look to them. Oh, sorry, I was hiccuping. And then these are hilarious. I like these guys too, but at $18.50, can't really do anything about it. This, $12.50. Hold on, let me do some math right quick. All right, so at $10, I feel like it's safe, especially because I'm going to sell this stuff tomorrow. Yeah, those are fantastic. I can't say no to a 2-in-1 salt and pepper shaker, especially if it's anthropomorphic. Oh my gosh. Look at you. $90. Okay, I was going to say, that is a really special rabbit. But alas, they know it. That is kind of scary. There is so much fun stuff in this booth. Look at this. The bunny and carrot salt and pepper shakers. This one is $9.60 too after the discount. Should I grab it? I'm gonna end up racking up quite a bill here, which is what I'm trying to not do. But I've never seen it before. I'll hold on to it for now. Maybe I'll change my mind, maybe I won't. I love this beaded eyeglass case. Something really unusual about that. Oh my gosh. Look at this whale tape dispenser. That's at $20. To be honest, I think I could still make a couple bucks off that, especially whales like this can be rather collectible, and I've never seen that, but I'm a little nervous about spending that much on this. And I don't need another purse, but I see blue fringe. So I had to check it out, although it looks like someone got sick on it. Ew. I'm still kind of caught up about the pink whale tape dispenser. Even if that was just a couple bucks less, I would probably grab it. I really like this left-in frog planter. That's unusual. Again, just a little too high for resale purposes. Oh my gosh. I see something in here. These humor trays I normally don't pick up, but this would make a great gift for someone. Everybody has birthdays, just like it says, and it's super funky and risque at $9 and 20% off. I have to get this. Oh, I really like the gold singing angels. Cute. 20% off for two. That's a good price, especially for a collector, but a little too close for me. I actually don't know if I don't even want to split them up. They're kind of fun as a pair. Let's see. I see a lacquered jewelry box. Those usually sell pretty well. This is a fun apron. And of course, I was so caught up on the whale tape dispenser that I didn't even see this gingham dog planter. 16, that's too much for resale. Look at this frog plate. I love him. Oh, it's Karak. That's really cool. Oh, and the froggy bowl. So fun. My dress has frogs on it. Let's see, you can't really tell. See the frogs chasing her. Ooh. I like that. I would buy that for myself. I don't think I could make anything off it really at that price for resale. Gosh, that's so cool. I love the glaze on that and the colors. This ashtray is pretty funky. Bingo, my favorite. Oh, that's fun. Bingo bank. I feel like I kind of need that, but I don't need it today at least. Whoa. 18, oh, as is. As is, dang. I was gonna say, that's a really good one. As is. I'm trying to figure out what's as is about it. I feel like it's not a good sign that I can't tell. I think my eyes are a little tired. I'm a little too relaxed to be paying too much attention. Gosh, that's so fun though. All right, I'm gonna let it go. Not today. What are these salt and pepper shakers? Lego. They've been repainted. And they like don't fit in here. How did I get that in there? Oh, that's a pain in the butt. Cats. This booth wasn't here when I was here last either. 13. I think they have 20%. Do they have 20%? I think I made that up actually. Yeah, I made that up. Whoa, chalkware mushroom. Oh, it's a non-working thermometer maybe? Yeah, I'm not so sure about that one.